Hi, the sound this week is the TH sound. There is a difference between the voiced and the unvoiced TH, but we won't go into the technicalities of it. Just we'll focus on the TH sound that requires the tongue to go between the teeth. That is the teaching technique for this week. Poke your tongue out between your top and lower teeth to make that sound. Don't confuse it with f and v. Sounds to practice. Ooh, ooh. E, e. Ah, ah. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. Great. The words to practice: that, there, the, this, thank you, thought, Thursday, birthday, and with. Sentences to practice. On Thursday, it will be my birthday. I thought you might like that thing. What are you going to do with that? Fine, feathered friend. And one more. On Thursday, you can poke your tongue out at the teacher.